Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to talk about Boston Whaler's 2018 35 Realm. It's an absolutely hot model for us here. Take a peek, it's got the Abaco blue going down the side, which is a gorgeous color. Stainless steel insert on the rub reel, and then you got a hard top that covers both sides goes from the port to the starboard all the way across. So it gives you great sun coverage when you're sitting up at the helm seats. Then you also got the Sure Shade that pulls out the back, which will actually cover the entire cockpit area in the back. And it's got sunshade for the front, so you can actually cover the entire boat with shade if you do want it. It's powered by the Mercury Verado triple 350s. Ton of horsepower for this boat. It's going to get right out of the hole and give you a good top end. And it's plenty of power. You're going to love them. So let's hop on board and see the rest. So we are on board the 350 Realm. Let's start with the back of the boat. We've got the fold-down seat, which is a really comfortable seat. You're going for a ride. With 3 adults, it very comfortably folds up if you do decide you want to fish. You've got a live well in the back. You've got reverse seating here. Huge cooler down underneath, refrigerator, grill. And then what you can do is you can reverse it. Now you've got really comfortable forward facing. So you got 2 adults up here, 2 adults up here. So you've got 4 people that are in conversation range when you're underway versus when you're sitting in the back, you're really not in good conversation. So this seat here will actually turn around and it will face this seat here. As we move up to the helm, we've got the digital throttle and shift. You can hit the 1 lever to control all 3 engines at the same time. You've got plenty of room here for all large electronics, dual screen, no problem. You've got the auto trim, and it's just set up. All your rockers are right here, very comfortable. Down below, you can see it's really big cabin down below. It's set up for lounging right now, and it's got a flat screen TV. It's got a full head in there, and you can also turn it into a big sleeper, so you can actually stay overnight. It does have a generator on it, so you can sleep on the boat. Beautiful vision here. And as we move up to the bow, really nice seating. The lounger for 3 people, very comfortably with armrests. You've got a tea table here. And then this sun pad, this is automatic. You hit the button, it's going to automatically go down and with the cushion, or you can take the cushion off and use it as a table. So it's set up really well. It's just a great all-around boat. We're doing fantastic with it, especially here in Naples. And it's got pretty much everything you want to do for going out for lunch, dinner, or to the beach, or fishing. So it really does it all very, very well. So if you need any more information, give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.